Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Veriska, an English student at Duta Bangsa University of Surakarta. In this time, I'm very excited to deliver a review of translator material about pragmatic equivalent, semiotic equivalent, and ethic in translation. So, here are more detailed explanation of the three concepts in the context of translation. Now, we're going to the first material about pragmatic equivalent. About pragmatic equivalent in translator refers to the alignment of context and communicative function between the source text and the translated text. This involves ensuring that the intended impact, tone, style, and register of the original message are perceived in the translation. For the example, if the original text used formal language to address a respected figure, that translated text should also use an appropriate level of formality that resonates with the target culture. And translator must be sensitive to the cultural nuances and social situation in both language to achieve pragmatic equivalent. And the second one, we're going to the semiotic equivalent. Semiotic equivalent pertains to the alignment of meaning between the source text and the translated text. This means that each word, phrase, or sentence in the translation should convey the same meaning as the original text. However, semantic equivalent does not always imply a literal translator. Sometimes, to perceive in the intended meaning, translator need to make appropriate adjustment considering linguistic and the cultural nuances. For instance, idiom or figurative expression may require different translation to ensure that the meaning is accurately understood in the target of language. And the last one, we're going to the ethic in translation. Ethic in translation refers to the moral and professional principle that translator should adhere to. This includes the responsibility to maintain the integrity of the source text, avoid destroying or manipulating of meaning, and respect copyright. Translator should strive to translate text accurately and honestly without introducing personal biases or omitting crucial information. Ethical consideration also involves cultural sensitivity, ensuring that the translated text does not offend or demean of any culture or group. And the translator must be transparent about their limitation and acknowledge if certain parts of the text are challenging to translate accurately. So there are three concepts are crucial for ensuring translation that are accurate, communicative, and ethical, allowing the original message to be effectively understood by the target of language audience. So maybe this is enough for me. I'm Veriska. Thank you.